Hey, what's up guys? So how about a Theia update? So for a number of years now, work has been proceeding in order to bring perfection to the crudely conceived idea of an AI-based radar detector that would not only supply inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal gram meters. Such a radar detector is Radenso Theia, codename Turbo Encabulator. Now basically the only new principle involved is that instead of radar being detected by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it's being detected by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive diractance. Now Theia originally had a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with the panometric fan. Theia 2 added 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding is of the normal Lotus O delta type placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots of the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters. Radenso's Theia has now reached a high level of development, and it's being successfully used in the operation of Nova trunnions. Moreover, whenever a fluorescent score motion is required, it may also be employed in conjunction with the drawn reciprocation dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal repleneration. Now, Radenso originally announced Theia back in 2019. Theia 2 was announced in 2022. Who knows when they'll actually release it, or if they'll announce Theia 3 first. All Radenso has told us is that the pre-order and official release date for Theia is still not set due to the global part shortage caused by COVID-19. However, you can sign up for Radenso's mailing list to find out when it's available.